Hi everyone, this video is about Coraline's Other Mother makeup. The first step is making the eyes using air dry clay. Using any round object, like a bottle cap, make a small circular base. Next, use the end of the brush or similar tool to create 4 indentations. In the next step, once it has completely dried, sand it well. Then paint the entire surface with black acrylic paint and let it dry. After that, we apply a varnish. Now for the face makeup. We pull the hair back and fix the eyebrow with using soap or glue. After cleaning around the eyebrow, set it with powder. Following the template I draw on my face, I first mark the area that will be painted black. Then using any type of black paint, I fill in the areas I marked. Then I paint the face area with the light skin tone color. Using brown paint, I add shading to the indentations and contour the nose. I draw the eyebrow and complete the lip makeup too. At the end, I use makeup glue to stick the buttons onto my eyes and attach the monster nails onto my fingers. That's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel and support me with a like and comment.